today, yes, he's giving a little bit of a preview of that budget, announcing some measures that are going to be in it. These are not big surprises. They're going to extend, first of all, a school lunch program that was launched by Prime Minister Justin Trudeau back when he was still in power last year. And what Carney is doing is essentially making this program now permanent. They say about 400,000 kids have been helped by this since it has been launched. They think that number is going to increase. The idea here is that the federal government is making deals with all the provinces to essentially fund breakfasts and lunches for kids who couldn't otherwise afford it, who don't have access to food every day. The other program that they are going to extend is the Canada Strong Pass. This is something that Carney brought in shortly after he became Prime Minister, basically giving Canadians access during the summer months, free access to national parks and discounted accesses to places like museums. Also includes discounts to Via Rail passes for people to go out and explore the country. Carney saying they're going to bring that program back again next summer, and also going to do kind of a winter edition of it. It's going to launch in mid-December, so if you have family home for the holidays, whatever, you can go visit museums and national parks at reduced or free costs. But the centerpiece of this announcement is Carney's plan to automate some of the tax returns so that people who are lower income, who might not otherwise file a tax return, do not miss out on a series of benefits that you get. Carney says this is going to affect about 5.5 million Canadians. It's going to help them get benefits, things like the GST, HST tax credit, Canada Child Benefit, Canada Workers Benefit, and several disability tax credits. So the idea here is that this process, instead of you having to fill out one of those forms, Canada Revenue Agency has your information already, if you have a social insurance number, and they can calculate that so these people who are at the lower income, lower side of the income spectrum will automatically get these benefits. Listen to what the Prime Minister said this morning announcing this plan.
Canada's new government will start pre-filing tax returns in the 2026 tax year, scaling up to that 5.5 million number of low-income Canadians by the 2028 tax year. This program will pay out hundreds of millions of dollars in benefits in the next few years that would otherwise be left unclaimed, helping our most vulnerable get the supports that they need.